Hello, student. Welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Dealing with Difficult Situations. Students, life is very unpredictable. What is happening now, it is not permanent. It will be change. Okay, we can't predict that what will be happen in the next moment. So oftenly we come across many situations like happy situation, like difficult situation. When the happy situations comes, we become very happy. But what about the difficult situation? If suppose sometimes the difficult situation come, then how you will deal with that? In this story we are going to say the same thing, how we have to deal with the difficult situation when we come across it. So let's start with the story. Along the bank of river Narila was a small town called Kabalpur. There was a farmer named Suri who lived with his wife and their 10 years old son Manas. They lived a trying life, but they were happy. They were happy because they had time to spend with each other and the cattle that they herded. See, here this story is about one man whose name is Suri. This is what that man, he has some cattle. He had one wife and one son. His son is of 10 years old and his name is Manas. They love each other very much because they had a lot of time to spend with them, with each other, and that's why they don't have much money, but still they were very happy because they're having a lot of time with each other. Okay, so now see, in the next, Manas used to check the cattle in the morning before he went to school. Suri would rear them in the afternoon and plough the field as well. His wife had the duty of feeding the livestock in the night and providing them with sufficient water. See, here in this paragraph, we have explained that what are the duties of everyone. Here's that 10 years old son, that is the Manas. His duty is look after this cattle in the morning before he went to school. Then his man, he rear them and pluck them, and his mother, she is responsible for the livestock and the water for them. Okay, the monsoon season was approaching. The family prepared for what was expecting to be a long rainy season. They dug a well so that water could be preserved for later, and also built a shed for the newborn calves. Okay, see, the family was very. The family's vision was. They having a future vision. So according to the future, when they realize that monsoon will come soon, at that time they dig a wall to preserve the water, and they built a new shed also for their cattle and the new calves. Okay, here in no time the monsoon had hit the town in full swing. It had taken most people by surprise because the rain never stopped for more than 15 minutes at a time. It was incessant torrential drop hour. Suri and his family were glad that they had made arrangements beforehand. However, as they went into the second month of the monsoon, it became unbearable. See, when monsoon came, you can observe here how the scenario is. When monsoon came, it was not usual monsoon. It was sometimes different than every years. It was a heavy monsoon this year, and because of this, everyone was you know everyone was very scared, and in the first month it was okay, but in the next month it became very horrible and it became unbearable. See, you can see that how the terrified picture showing the monsoon integrity intensity. Okay, there was a storm every day. The trees were falling, crops and down, and the river was on verge of overflowing. The cattle were stuck in the shade as the water level kept increasing. It was necessary to take care. See, here the every day they were facing storm, and river was overflowing, means the flooded area, flooded situation was there. You can observe here. Here is the flooded situation we can observe. Okay, trees were breaking down and everything was just destroyed. Okay, so this is what not a good situation we can see. Now in the next para, because of such situation, they moved to the safe place. Okay, the cold water and low temperature were intolerable. They were went to shift the cows. They found that a few of them had run away in the middle of the night. More than half of the cows were still there but looked very sick. They slowly moved them to a warmer higher shed. See here, we read this paragraph and we understand that the situation was very unbearable, and the cold temperature and the cold temperature and low temperature and cold water, it was intolerable. And that's why his family, that Suri's family, they shifted to the new place, and they tried to shift their cattle also, but somewhere it was looking very difficult, but still anyhow they managed. Okay, a few weeks later passed since the end of the monsoon season. Suri was enthusiastic about getting back to his work, which is performed passionately. To Suri's horror, he realized that his cattle had caught a deadly infection. Most of the cows would not make it through the illness. When he tried to reinvestigate his crop, the land was infertile and nothing could be grown there. The family were in a predicament. Suri was forced to start going to the outskirts of the city, Delhi, to find work. He knew he had to take care of his family. After a few weeks, the monsoon stopped, and Suri was very excited to go back to his work of farming, because the farming work, he was very passionate towards the farming. But what he observed that everything was destroyed. His cattle got a deadly infection, and that cattle was not able to plug anymore now, and the land was also not fertile. It became infertile, and it became very difficult to do the farming there. So that's why he tried to he go city outskirt for searching new job, because he knows that he is the only man who can take care of his family. Okay, now eventually he found a job at a laborer in a different town. He went there without his family and missed them a lot. He was away for 2 years. When he came back, he was ragged and tired. But he has realized that he had to start from scratch at home. To his surprise, he came home for only to see a fresh, lively herd of livestock, a well-ploughed field, and variety of different crops. His wife and son had made the most of the 2 years that they had. Instead of being sad and waiting for Suri to come back, they worked hard and go to the field and cattle back to the prime condition. This means that the work that Suri did become a bonus, and the family made up for the losses that they incurred during the monsoon disaster. See what happened. Suri got a job in a city outskirt, and he went there alone. He didn't take his family with him, and he has to live there for 2 years. Okay, and he for 2 years he missed his family lot, and after 2 years he come back to his village, and he was thinking to restart his farming again. And he went to home, and he's just surprised that his wife and his son, they cultivate the field, and they grown a different crops, and everything was very good. They had their cattle in a prime position, and everything was very happy. Okay, very pleasant scenario he had seen. Here his wife and his son, in that 2 years whatever time they got, they didn't wait for his father or his her husband, that Suri come and he will start. These two people, that his mother and this 10-year boy only, they done most of the work, and they didn't sit back in sadness, but they stand up and they start their new journey, and they achieve what they want. Okay, they didn't afraid or lose their hope by the disaster, but they start their new journey and they achieve what they want, and it become the bonus for his father. See, now they found a way out of very difficult situation and laid the foundation of the healthy farm that Suri kept going for years to come. Okay, and this is what the new situation, new starting for them, and this starting was Suri was actually expecting since many years, and he maintained this situation after that also. By the end of his life, he become he was means after the lot of struggle, he was the man the who was the most successful farmer in his land. His family was beside him every step of the way. See, here they faced they faced a very they faced a disaster, they faced a very difficult situation, but they didn't lose their hope, and one day, and they stand and they stand back again, and and they face it very courageously, and they spend their life happily. And one thing more important here, that their family was together, and togetherly they fight with the difficult situation, and make their life successful. This is what the way. If you want to face the difficult situation, we have to our family bonds very strong, and our family has to be stand up with us in every step of the way. And life difficulties are thrown to every day. We have to overcome them no matter what the situation is, because someone has said show must go on. So whatever the difficult situation is, we have to face it, and we should not be lose our hope by such difficult situation. So that's all for today. Okay, students, so here is one real time story to understand our chapter betterly, that how to deal with the difficult situations. Here, the story is about Karoli Trekas was a member of a Hungarian army. See, here you can see one man. This man is nothing but the Trekas. Okay, he was the member of the Hungarian army. His dream was to be professional shooter. He had excellent aim. He was working hard towards the goal. However, his life took dark turn in 1938. During army training, he had an accident and severely injured his right hand. The hand when he is used for the shooting. See, he's the man. His aim was to be a number one shooter. He was a member of the Hungarian army, but what happened, he came across one difficult situation, one bad accident. In that accident, he got severe injured, and his right hand, which he was using for the shooting, it get seriously damaged, and he could not continue his shooting. Okay, but he didn't lose his hope, and afterward what he had done, let's see. Although he was very upset, he did not lose hope. He began practicing to shoot with his left hand. In 1938, he surprised his countrymen and won the Hungarian national pistol shooting competition. See what he had done after that sad incident. He didn't stop himself, but he stand up again, and he didn't lose his hope, and he start again with great enthusiasm, and he practice again, and and in the year 1939 he just surprised everyone. Okay, he surprised everyone by winning the Hungarian national pistol shooting competition with his left hand. Okay, with his left hand he practiced and he won the competition in Hungary in 1938. He also won two Olympic gold medals of shooting in the year 1930, 1948, and 1952, both with the left hand. Okay, that means he had injured, okay, with the right hand, but he didn't lose his hope and he achieved his aim, okay, with the left hand. He showed the world that if you put your mind to it, anything is possible. Okay, student, here from this incident, from this story, we have to understand that nothing is impossible. Just we have to be determined and we have to put all our mind in that, and we can get anything, whatever we want. So this is what how we have to deal with the bad situations in our life. Okay, student.